Hey guys, CJ Trout and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here at the Hartsfield, Atlanta Airport, and after 2 months of being away from the Philippines, and after 2 months of just being work here in the United States, I'm finally going home. Alright, so my plan for today is to eat fast food, which is my colleagues are saying that it came from here, or it originally came from here. It's called Varsity and it's in the airport. It's actually just like 2 minutes walk from the office, but I didn't get a chance to eat one last time, so I'm gonna eat it right now. So I think I have this one last time, but I think I'm gonna eat it today. Sounds good? Right, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and peace and love. Mukbang. It's living.
Where you going to?
See, I'm trying to get like him, girl. Personal vlogger.
Where you home at?
Philippines.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
My brother's dad stay in the Philippines. He owns a hotel over there. So at least you know you got a friend in Atlanta.
Yeah.
Yeah, French fries.
Onion rings.
I need one more onion ring, Trev.
Thank you.
It was nice meeting you.
Alright, nice to meet you. I did not expect that at all. Alright, so I'm gonna leave my food there and I'm gonna grab some drink. So here you have fountains right over here and you just have to pick whatever you want. I want some Coke today. And Coke. And it's not gonna be the healthiest food ever because it's chili cheese dog and a burger, and this is gonna be my lunch. So for $11 I have an onion rings, I have a chili cheese burger and chili cheese dog. So greasy, not the healthiest food to eat, but worth a try. Well, the onion rings, so these are sweet onions, I guess. I should have got napkins, but that's it. We will try first their chili cheese hot dog. I'm so mean. I mean, this is so greasy. It's probably gonna be easier than I thought. The bun is so fucking soft. So soft, and the hot dog is so soft. And if you tried a chili cheese, I mean, it's like it's like a corned beef on top of it. And so I thought that it's gonna be spicy, but it's not. So I thought from the name it's called chili cheese, so it's not hot at all. It's greasy. Tastes quite good actually. The dog is good. I mean, the hot dog is good. But let me get more juice here. Oh fuck! Now I'm messy. So actually I'm not used to vlog in public here in the US because They're so they are so keen into data privacy, and they don't want themselves to be to be in camera by some strangers. That's why I'm trying to be careful, because I don't want to get in trouble while I'm here. And now they're looking at me. I did not expect that. There. And she followed me on Instagram, so hi. Nice to meet you. So right now it's the chili cheeseburger, and I can see some patty in it, some cheese and bun. Alright, so muna siya. Hindi mo na ako i-focus. Siya i-focus. Ambot, di mag-focus. Actually, busog na ko. I should have not eaten a lot of this breakfast. But I didn't eat a lot of this breakfast. I only had some cereal, some Doritos, and some... I didn't even eat banana. I mean, I'm not a fan of the patties, so I like the hot dog better than this one. Sorry, not really a fan of it. But it costs $11, so I have to eat it. Sayang, 550 pesos. It's probably the most boring mukbang ever. But what do you expect? It's my first time doing this one. Lami naman gapon. Ang nakalamin na kaya cheese, chili. Chili nga dili halak. Last na. I'm already full. Busog na ko ba? Napay green stereo sa ako yung kanon. Joke lang. Actually, I still got onion rings here. If you want, you can take it. But if not, then I'll eat it. So greasy. Actually, the airport is not that busy today. Probably because it's Saturday. It should be busy here because it's a Saturday. It's a weekend. But probably yesterday it was busier here because it's Friday. I don't know. Excuse me. Like and subscribe for peace and love. So here in the US, it's a culture here to clean as you go. So fast food court, so you have to clean up your mess. So like in the Philippines, that you just leave all your stuff there on the table. So hopefully Filipinos learn from it. Okay guys, so I'm really full. And I'm going now to my boarding gate, which is just at the end of this terminal. I'm so stuffed. My tiyan is so dako. And now I'm going down to the boarding gate, which is at the end of this terminal. Alright, so that's my boarding gate right over there. So I'm not gonna take you to the plane ride because it's just gonna be a boring and long flight of the day. It's around 14 hours and 50 minutes. So I'll be arriving in South Korea tomorrow. Is it? Yeah, I think so. So I'm gonna end my vlog and see you in Korea, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and peace and love.